Hey y'all, I'm Jamie Deen back in Mama's Kitchen. You know I'm going to share delicious, easy recipes with y'all. And today I'm doing 3 of my favorite things all combined. Chicken, cornbread, casserole. I love all 3 of those things. And this is really simple for you busy folks at home because it's basically just a dump and put everything together. So in this bowl, I'll go down the list for you. This is a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies in it. You can find it at your grocery store. You could get it. This is original, or you could go medium, or you could go spicy hot if you'd like. We have some lime juice, some chicken that's already been pre-cooked, a purple onion. We've got some jalapenos, some sour cream, and some cheese. So all this stuff is going to go into our first bowl. Now you can either save leftover chicken for this, or you can boil your own chicken, or you can roast your chicken, or you can use a rotisserie chicken. There's no wrong way to do this when we're busy at home with our families. I also have cilantro. So if y'all have watched me, you know where I'm gonna put the cilantro. I appreciate Teresa giving me the opportunity to tell y'all about it, but I don't care for any dishwater in my chicken cornbread casserole. So I'm gonna not use the cilantro, but I would love for y'all to, if that's what you like. Also, our seasoning going in here, one of my favorites, cumin. Cumin gives it, cumin is a funny ingredient for me because I cannot make a bowl of chili without cumin. Cumin tastes like chili to me, but when we put it with this chicken, it lends itself to a Southwest flavor. So we're going to stir all this up. And it could be that your chicken is already seasoned. I know any chicken that's been cooked here at Mom's house that we use has already got the salt and pepper treatment to it. So it's not super heavily seasoned, but it's got all those delicious flavors in there. That looks really good. And one of my other favorite things is a box of corn muffin mix. So easy. You can have cornbread at the house. The hard part is finding the good cane syrup, but you can do that as well. So the instructions on the box, it's just milk, our dry powder, and our egg. I'm gonna whip this together. See how easy this is? While I'm doing this, I'm gonna tell y'all it's starting to be spring here in Savannah, and we are really excited downtown at the restaurant. We're getting everything ready for our busy season, and soon I'm gonna have some exciting news to share with y'all. But I'm working on something. Something's cooking downtown. All right. Perfect. Now we're gonna stir these 2 things together. So you see what's gonna happen? We're gonna take our cornbread, and instead of a corny cornbread or a Spanish cornbread or a Mexican cornbread, we're really gonna load it up with all of this good stuff. I'm telling y'all, my mind is just spinning, because you know what else I would do in here? I would put together some sloppy joes with some fresh red peppers and stir it into this cornbread mix and make it here, and I would have a cheeseburger cornbread casserole. Ooh, or you can do pot roast. This is a great recipe. I'm gonna use it for a lot of different things. So I'm putting it into a shallow dish here. If you find yourself with overage, you could always use a deeper, but I'm pretty sure that we're gonna fit right in here. Looky. Y'all break out the tortilla chips. We got a chicken casserole cornbread coming right up. Stick around. Ooh, y'all. Look at our chicken cornbread casserole. And it's set up so nicely. I'm gonna try to cut it like a pie and see if I have any luck. And if it doesn't cut up like a pie, we'll change our plate for a bowl. How about that? I don't know what this tool is. Some kind of grater, but I'm gonna use it as a little spatula. You know the first piece is always ugly. That's why the cook gets the first piece. Ooh, I'm gonna like this. Not too ugly. Put a little point on it. Doesn't this look good, y'all? Now this has got lots of good stuff in it. This would be a really good weeknight meal for you. And this is the fun part. You can put some salsa on top of it. I'm gonna put a little bit of little sour cream right there. Cool it off. And there are very few things in this world that I like better than a fresh avocado. I'm gonna cut this. Get us a little avocado on here. Now, isn't that pretty? I bet it's gonna be good too. Okay, now just to finish it off, get you two or three big, beautiful pieces of cilantro and throw it on the floor. Let's try it, y'all. Get a little bit of that avocado. God, really good, y'all. Really simple. I love cornbread. I love Spanish food. The avocados, the cilantro, we do not miss the salsa and the sour cream. This is a home run. Couldn't be easier, y'all. Thanks for tuning in today. Y'all eat good food, and I'll see you around the kitchen. I'm gonna finish this.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.